everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We are going to create a water can, a pretty little sunflower arrangement today. Since Dad's not going to be home today, there's no sense cooking him some supper, is there? So I decided I'd do an arrangement. Here's the flowers. Nothing like brighten your day with sunflowers. Yes, if you've seen this container before, Nona from Carolyn Renona's Nutty Crafts did this container, and she put sunflowers in it. Yes, I'm copying off her. Yes, she knows. And no, she's not mad, because I'm putting my own twist on it. If you haven't checked Nona out, go over and check her out. She's a great friend of mine. Hey, Jana, you like my shirt? You like my bow? Wonder where that came from. Yeah, me and Carolyn got to talking. She said, "Did you see what I made on my live?" I said, "Yep." That was about a month ago. I said, "Yep, I have it on schedule to make the same container and put sunflowers in it. It's just in a pile of arrangements I got to do." Hey, Deborah. Hey, Sheena. Hey, Carol. Yeah, my business colors is pink, so. And anybody that hasn't got one of Janet's shirts, I'm telling you, they are so comfortable. You could sleep in them. They're like pajamas. Definitely a quarantine shirt. You hear the wind chimes. We got really high wind right now. Really high wind. Okay, I'm going to start off with the sunflowers. Oh, I put spray foam in this container. And when the directions tells you on the spray foam to use gloves, please do. Please do. I got it all over the tips of my fingers. And I've tried everything to get it off. Goof Off seemed to get it off better than anything. Hey, Dawn. Hey, Sandy. Okay, let's see which one's the tallest. I'm going to start with this one. Ooh. Oh, thank you. Oh, come on. Hey, Lynette. I don't know why it doesn't want to set up. Okay, I'm gonna build on it then. No, we didn't have snow. We had hail last night. Man, did it hail the last 2 days. It's been hailing here like crazy. It's been we haven't had snow though. Hey, Barb. Hey, Lori. Let's get in better position so you can see this better. I'm gonna add some blue. Hydrangeas. Oh, we're doing good. Dad's running a hot load, which if you are in the trucking industry, you know what a hot load is. He's got a hot load on the trailer. It needed to be delivered like yesterday. So he drove all night long, and he still can't get it there on time. Which stresses him out big time because he hates when he can't do his job and do it on time. So but he's got a hot load of food to go to Michigan. The good thing is that they don't have to comply with logs because he's in the food industry right now. That's the good and the bad. I don't know why I can't get that to go in. Oh, that has electronic logs, but they don't use them. It doesn't matter because there's nobody at the scales anymore. Bending these a little bit so they flow a little bit over the container. Oh yeah, they definitely would need face masks at Taco Bell. Here's my little container. I'm debating on whether to put a bow on it. But I just want something simple and small and not so big. The last couple I've done has been really big and full. And this one I want it to be more compact. Just a simple round arrangement. But yeah, that's what I decided I'd make today, and hope everybody's doing okay and having fun. I've been working on doing cutting boards, so that's what I've been doing, and working on some of my pin interest stuff. Yeah, I know they're just drive-through, but still, they still have to contact a lot of people, if nothing else, the people that works there. But yeah, talk to you later. Have a good day. Keep on crafting and stay safe, everybody. Bye.